Hi, I'm Guy Cook, and I'm talking about how to set up two-factor authentication for your WordPress-powered website. Let's get to it. I've looked at the Google document that I've got on the theguyrcookreport.podbean.com about two-factor authentication, and it's got a section, why implement two-factor authentication? Well, duh, so you're more secure, right? And I've got the steps outlined on the document. You log into the WordPress dashboard, you navigate to your plugins, and you add a new plugin. Now, there's several plugins that you can get that range from Google Authenticator, Duo Two-Factor Authentication, Authy Two-Factor Authentication. The main thing is, just like I'm doing right now, don't tell anybody which one you choose, okay? Security is the key word here. So then, once you've installed and activated the plugin, you configure your two-factor authentication method. Now, you can do email-based codes, one-time passwords, and we'll talk about that in a minute. There's some draws about that. SMS authentication, simple message syndication, and hardware tokens. So you set up the two-factor authentication if you want to do it with one of those methods, then test it, make sure that it works. Enable your backup methods. There's a number of different backup plugins that you can get for WordPress, and employ one of those. Test it, make sure you're getting a good deal, that your backup works. Then periodically, you want to check your two-factor authentications, make sure they're up to date. So I've also included in this Google document, it's a list that was created, 20 years ago, about symbols, about characters to not use in a password, like a capital O and a 0, etc. And then it goes on to talk about one-time passwords and why you should switch to a better two-factor authentication method, and etc., etc. The share link for this is right down at the bottom. Scroll down till you see the logo for the Guy Cook Report. And there's a link in there that goes back to this Google document if you want to get all those steps. So, like I always say, I've got them so you can get them. Hey, to contact me, use the secure contact form on guyrcook.com. If you like this episode on YouTube, and give it a thumbs up on youtube.com and click the bell to subscribe to future episodes. It's a wrap.